Hello and welcome. This is TextMesh Pro's searchable installation guide. Okay, so you've purchased the asset, you just want to know how to install it. It's actually quite simple. You download the asset package. I have it locally, so I'm going to download it from my hard drive. You get import Unity package. You should get this exact same screen or maybe some extra files. You import all of it. And it says database created. Automatically the screen should pop up. If it does not pop up, you can find it in Tools, Smitesoft, TextMesh Pro integrated. Now, the first thing you want to do is check if your Unity version and TextMesh Pro versions are compatible. If they are not compatible, or if one of them is not compatible and you want to see the list of what versions are compatible, you go to the setup documentation guide and it should be all the ones that are compatible should be stated there. Okay, now after you do that, if they are compatible, you should be able to click Unpack TextMesh Pro Essential. Now, generally speaking, this is the exact same thing as going to Windows, Asset, TextMesh Pro Asset, and download import TextMesh Pro Essential Resources. That is the exact same thing, but the tool will do it for you if you do not have it. So you can just click here and import. Now that's done, what you need to do is unpack Smitesoft's Essential Resources and import. And after that, you want to do setup essentials. So we've downloaded the essentials, but now we want to set them up. So we set up essentials. It says blocker tag added successfully. And now you install the package fully. So it says pending installation, install the packages fully. Click on install packages. And the installation is complete. It says installing TextMesh Pro extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then TextMesh Pro integration is completed. Here it should tell you it's completed, compatible, and compatible. And then if you close the screen and reopen it again, you should see the exact same thing. Now, if you had some trouble halfway through, please do contact us on Discord or forum. We will try to help you as soon as we can. Try not to deviate by going to the files and unpacking unnecessary things. After you do the installation thing, in the installation, all you have to do is go to Smitesoft, TextMesh Pro, prefabs, and basically this is all you're looking for, the searchable drop-down manager. You could watch the user manual video. It's a different video that tells you how to use this and install it, but let's just test it to see if this installation worked, which it should. Create a canvas, we drag it to the canvas. We want to unpack it completely, and let's double click, and there it is. Let's test it, see if it works. Click on search, A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever. You can click on whatever you want, and it works perfectly. Okay, so that's all there is to it. I do want to mention one more thing. If you go to TextMesh Pro integration window again, there's a debug mode here. Don't click on this. It's not important. It's only there for us to help you if you had any problems when you contact us on Discord. Do not click on delete cache. Right now you can't actually click it because the installation is complete. If you do want to delete all the cache, you'll have to do it on a new project, but don't do that. It can cause a lot of errors in projects that already have this asset installed. It's just there for us to help you fix the asset if there's something wrong with it. So do be aware of that. If you need any more details on what everything did, what every single one of these buttons did, you're gonna be able to find that in the documentation, set up full documentation guide. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next tool we release. Take care, bye bye.